Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, I got an update plan for TSLA. Before I get into the plan, TSLA is a plan that we were looking for it to confirm here. We never could confirm, but the beautiful thing about this is the options have gotten less expensive. So we'll talk about that. But let's talk about the plan here. So Tesla is set up to test 372 to 380. So there's a good move that can happen here. Okay, quickly. Okay, and we could use these monthly. These are monthly. They're turned weekly, but so sometimes these monthly options can do some magic here, and there's still plenty of time. So the October 20, 360 or 365 calls could be used. That's right, people. So listen, so Tesla needs to, I will explain the video. So here's the situation here. Same thing here. We need to get above 358 on some good action volume. One thing about today was this was a setup day. It was kind of choppy. It looks perfectly solid. The question is, are they going to continue chopping it, or are we going to start to move out of this channel and break out? Okay, because we've got the consolidation. You know, I talked about this before, and we've exactly what I said in prior plans. We haven't been able to confirm. We might need to consolidate, and guess what, people? That's what we've been doing. And I'm going to show you something in the option prices, okay, to show you the reflection of how, being patient, waiting for the confirmation. We're able to get in when this stock moves. It's going to move. It's kind of like tightly wound now, right? So when we're going to move, boom, we're going to go, and we go to 272. Just that level there. With one of these options, you're going to be making between 150 200% gains. All right. Maybe even more. So, and again, it depends how quickly we get to those levels. But it could really pop to that level. I mean, this might be where it stops, and you need to make a pattern again, or this level. It's one of these two levels, right? And we won't know until we get the power towards these two levels. This is why it's a plan, and these are the two targets, right? If we smash through this very easily, it's pretty easy. But if we're looking at having difficulty there, they may not go to 380 right away, right? But it can. All right. Let's go take a look at the options. So again, let me get back. So before we go to the options, so again, we want to see this break above 358 on some good action volume, about 600K, 600K to a million. Right? You want that kind of this stock really, when it does the volume, just like people, I made a Netflix plan and it did everything according to my rules, and boy oh boy, it was a 300% gainer in 2 days. Okay, so volume, especially in Tesla, this stock just acts perfectly when it confirms my numbers on volume. Now, if we don't get the volume as we are smashing through 358, what I would consider doing is watching for basing above 358 and look for power towards 360 to 361. So the entry levels are easier. I mean, for this thing to move $5, which is less than that right now, right? 3 to 5 points, it's nothing. Tesla, when it really wants to move, even the slow days are 9-point days. 9 to 10-point days are slow ones. The strong movers, this stock has had 15 to 20-point swings. So you never know, right? You could get, on confirmation, we can get one of those 15-point moves in one shot, one day, boom, right? Or they divide it into 10 and 5, but 5-point moves usually are just setup days. This is a strong. See, like this is the strong kind of move Tesla likes to make. This is nothing. These are little days. Again, on confirmation, right? These are little movements for Tesla. Let's look at the options together, people. All right, so Tesla closed up 515. So not a big deal day for this stock. Volume was kind of light today. Now here's the October 20 calls, and this is again for October the 17th. You can see that in the options, right? This means October the 17th, right? And so we're going to go down and take a look at the okay, so we're going to look at the 360 calls, okay, and you can see that today they had a bit of a move, okay. They're right now at 200. Now let me tell you something. Just last week, these 365 calls, they closed around this level, right? And now they actually closed around $1, probably not, yeah, about $1.04, we'll say. Now look at the nice thing about these options is they're all trading well. There's good trading volume and good open interest on them all, right? So you could use either. I'm going to reference the 365s, right? But you can a person could use either the 360s on confirmation, or the 365s. Both will do very well. Both can do very well. Of course, these are going to, of course, on confirmation, this average could be $270 to $300 per option for the 360s, and these would probably be about $150 to $180 depending on the confirmation. And that's an estimation. But right now, as it stands, this is the closing of these options for October the 17th. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detailed plans. If you haven't already subscribed, you can subscribe. You can do this manually. I'm going to show you an easy way in the video. This banner is very important information. You should check out what I'm saying here. Read it. This is a good reason to subscribe as well. And of course, access to my created playlist. A lot of great information in this playlist to show you the power of the plans. Just like this plan you're watching right now. These are plans that went from start to end. Let's see what I say. I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe and give you some other tips. Let's see what I say. Alright, people, now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my created playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Target Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video!